Assalamu alaikum to the students of nursery class. Okay, today we are going to talk about a new letter. Okay, let me show you a new letter. We have done a, b, k, d, a. Now it's time for the sound f. This sound is f. Okay, how to write f? Straight and a line. F. This is fur. Okay, I have fur. This is fur. Okay, this is fur. Now open your book, page number 9. Okay, here what is this? Now you can tell me that this is fur. This is fur. Fur fish. Okay, fur. First of all, what is falcon? Fur falcon. It is the name of a bird. Wow, what is this? It's a beautiful fountain. Fur fountain. Fountain starting sound is fur. Oh, little frog. Fur frog. Fish. Fur fish. Oh wow. Flowers. Fur flower. Fur flower. Okay, now let's revise. Fur fountain. Fur falcon. Fur flower. Fur fish. Fur frog. Fur fountain. Fur falcon. Fur flower. Fur fish and fur frog. All the starting sounds are fur.